Hi, hi to all. As vacation periods are appearing, we might be facing some crucial thing how to take care of our plants and how to fix the last moment watering system. So today I will just show you how to do that part. It's a very quick and a very easy one. So today we are going to use only simple few things to fix this system. So one thing is that I am using is this 2 liter water bottle, which is usually available in market. Then this medical saline system, a simple one, and one scissor and a thread to fix it. Okay, so we'll just open this saline. Okay, so this is a normal saline one. You see, this is a dripper. You can use this as a dripper part. See, there are holes in this, and this is where we will use this needle. So apply this needle to this. Okay, so this is the needle. This is a very sharp one, so you have to take care while putting it in, and then just insert this into this opening. Just be careful, hold it very carefully and insert it into the cover so that the needle will not break away. Okay, that's it. There is no you need to have any glue or anything on this point, because this needle is so smooth that it is sufficient to take care of the any leakage from this point. Okay, so this is the one. We will just keep it for some time. Then most important part of this is that you have to have some hole at this, so that when the water is getting dropped, we will have some air inlet to it. Okay, and also this will help us to fill the water bottle with the water. Okay, you can use a funnel or something to have this to fill the water in this. Now the easiest another part is that how to tie this bottle. Okay, so we'll tie a thread over here. Okay, that's it. Try to avoid use of any nylon thread, because nylon threads do not get properly tied. So you just wrap it over here so that the water bottle remains properly tied. Yeah, that's it. It's tight, little bit tight over here. This one. Then have little bit longer thread. Yes. We'll have little bit a longer one over here so that we can have it. So leave it little thread over here so that you can put it on the grill or somewhere. You can tie it, then tie it over here. One more, and then we will have one more, so that if you see over here, it may tilt once we fill the water. So what we will do, I will tie one more thread over here. Little bigger thread we can have, but we can tie it over here with this. Keep little bit longer thread over here. That is perfect. Tie it like this, and then you can tie it like this. Okay. So this will give you the proper hanging attachment. Okay, so now it's ready for us to use this. So apply this where we have punctured it on this. same location. That's it. The saline system for our plant drainage watering system is ready. Okay. This bottle over here, you can see this is tied to the grill, and then this is a bottle, and this is our saline. The saline has been pipe has been tied over here so that it will not, so that it should not fall down. And now this one we can keep it here over the tree, and the tree somewhere like this. This I will keep it here so that you can see when the water is getting dropped over here. So now we will try to fill this bottle. That I have filled the water and full. Help up, we can remove the funnel now. Okay, so this is how it will work. See, even though we have not placed any glue, it is not there is no leakage over here, so still we can use it properly without any gluing. And now if you see over here, let's drop it. Okay, so we can tie it somewhere. Okay, this way. Okay, so I will show you how to control the flow rate. Just little bit up. Okay, so now it is show you some of the photo. So here there is a, if you know, this is a saline, so obviously there is a control over here. So now if you move upward, see this one, the flow rate will reduce. So make it more and more upward. This will, I moved it, so now the dripping system has been closed. So now I will move it downward so that the drips will get back. See this. You can keep the dripping speed such that 5 to 6 drops per minute, and this will work very well. If you are using 2-liter bottle for each of your pot with the 5 to 6 drops per minute, then I think it will sufficiently water the plant for maybe around 3 to 4 days. Okay, so I'm just trying to make it 4 to 5 drops per minute. So this is how you can control. This is sufficient for mostly for 3 to 4 days. So that's how it is sufficient. It's very quick fix, and then maybe within within maybe 15 minutes, if you have everything, you can make this watering system to work. Okay, it's just a last minute fix while going for the vacation if you don't have any watering system at your garden. See, after one day, almost some of the water has been dripped through the saline into the trees, and it's sufficiently wet. You see as well, you can see it's deep. This is how it will at least last for 3 days minimum, 3 to 4 days. Okay. Here I have wetted the 50 drops of water, and that is around 3 ml. Now you see 36 ml, and to remove this it's around 33 ml. So as we recorded, the 50 drops is around 3 ml. So if we have a 1 liter bottle, this is the max which we can do. Number of drops is equal to 1000 divided by 3 into 50. So it's around 16,650 drops. And if you have, let's say if you have a 10 drops per minute, then it will survive for 28 hours. But I think it is sufficient to have a 6 drops per minute, so it will have a 46 hours, that is almost approximately 2 days. Preferred is to put the 2-liter bottle, which will survive for the 4 days. Okay, that is how. The most beautiful part of the saline system is that it will give a precise drops as we want. So the controlling is very precise because it has been designed to have a proper feeding for the patient. So this is the beauty of the saline system. You will have exact drops and exact quantity whenever you need it. Okay, so that is how we can use this saline system for the watering of the automated watering of the plant. Thank you.